Let's draw a happy rain cloud. A big puffy cloud. Your turn. One eye. Two eyes. A big smile. A drop of rain. Drip, drop. One more raindrop. Great job! Let's draw a sunny sun. A big round sun. Your turn. A long ray up top. A long one to the right. A long one going down. A long one to the left. A little one in the corner. Another little one. One more little one. The last little ray. One eye. Two eyes. A sunny smile. Great job! Let's draw a big rainbow. A big red arch. Your turn. Orange under it. Now yellow. Green comes next. A little blue one. Purple is the smallest. A puffy cloud. One more cloud. Great job! Let's draw a star. Point to point, all the way around. Your turn. One eye. Two eyes. A twinkly smile. Great job! Let's draw a balloon. A big balloon. Your turn. A little knot. A curly string. A shiny spot. job! Let's draw a rocket ship. Up to a pointy top. Your turn. A fin down here. A fin on this side. A round window. Whoosh! Big flame. A little flame inside. A tiny star. One more star. Great job!